broadcasting live with coverage you can count on. This is KSLA News 12 at 10.
All right, I'm not even the weatherman everywhere I go. Doug, what's it going to do Friday? Well, let's just ask this guy, Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle, straight to it, because this is serious stuff tomorrow.
Yeah, it is. We have an elevated risk for severe weather across the Arklatex, and we're talking about all forms of severe weather. Let's talk about the map here. Still, that enhanced risk remains in effect here for all of the Arklatex. That's basically 3 on a scale from 1 to 5. We will get the next severe weather outlook coming up overnight tonight. That'll arrive around 1 o'clock in the morning or so. That's something that I'll be up for, and I'll be posting on my meteorologist Jeff Castle Facebook page if you want to stay up to see the latest on that. But I don't expect we're probably going to have any big changes here. In fact, the talk has been over the last day or so of maybe an upgrade to a moderate risk for parts of the Arklatex. So we're going to be analyzing the latest data, and again, sharing that information with you overnight tonight, and of course first thing tomorrow morning with meteorologist Ron Young. Let's kind of break it down here for you, the severe weather threat, and kind of what our expectations are. And the way it's looking, 2 rounds of storms are a possibility. The first will come in late in the afternoon, between about 4 p.m. and then into the evening hours to about 9 or so. And this area in red, which is generally north of Interstate 20, is going to include the risk for a few tornadoes and perhaps some very large hail. This will be round 1, moves out by mid-evening, and then as a cold front sweeps in here later into the overnight hours, well, we're going to see storms across the rest of the Arklatex, and this is what will carry us through the late night hours from about 10 in the evening to around 4 in the morning. Damaging wind becoming the main threat at that point, but still could have some large hail and perhaps an isolated tornado risk. So there's a lot we're going to be monitoring tomorrow, and the entire storm team is going to be here watching things for you. Here's what you need to do to get prepared. Make sure you download the KSLA weather app. That's a way to get weather warnings for your location, and also if you lose power, to watch our broadcast and find out exactly what's happening with the storms. Make sure you charge up your phones and your tablets so they're ready to go tonight. Make sure the NOAA weather radios, if you have one of those, ready to go, and review that severe weather safety plan. You can watch for updates on social media as well by following Storm Tracker 12 on Facebook and on Twitter. I'll be back in just a few moments. I've got that very, very latest hour-by-hour forecast that just came out. We'll take you through it all as we head into your Friday and Friday night on the way in your forecast in just a few minutes.